Clara, I just got handed over a new patient, Mr. Bernard Ellis. It's quite a complicated case. He's a 68-year-old with a history of COPD, but he's been admitted now due to a suspected silent myocardial infarction.
Silent MI? That must have been a tough call. How stable is he now, Mihira?
He's stable but very fatigued. He also has type 2 diabetes and mild dementia, which makes the picture even trickier. His sugars are erratic, and he forgets he's eaten. Plus, he's been showing signs of orthostatic hypotension, especially this morning during assisted mobilization.
So Mihira, what's the priority in terms of his care right now?
Well, the cardiology team wants close cardiac monitoring for arrhythmias, but Dr. Samuels stressed that fall risk should guide our immediate interventions. They're more concerned he might fall again, like he did last week at home, even before the cardiac episode was suspected. That seems to be their main concern for now.
Mihira, I want you to know first that your healing matters so much, and using the sling is one of the kindest things you can do for your injured arm right now. The sling is not just a piece of cloth. It gently holds your arm in a safe position so that the bones or soft tissues can mend without extra strain. When you wear it, you reduce the daily pull of gravity on your injured side, which means less pain and less risk of accidentally bumping into doors, furniture, or people. This protection helps the healing happen faster and more completely, and it also improves your overall comfort because your muscles do not have to work so hard to support the arm. As you start to return to your daily activities, Mihira, please go slowly and listen to your body. You might begin with very light tasks like walking around the house or using your other arm more, but it is so important to avoid heavy lifting, pushing, or pulling until your doctor or physiotherapist gives you clear permission. These actions can disturb the delicate healing process and set you back. Instead, focus on small, gentle movements that feel safe. Full use of your arm will come again, but only after your follow-up appointment, when your healthcare provider confirms that the bones or tissues are strong enough. Trust that patience now gives you back your strength sooner. You are doing the right thing by resting and protecting yourself, and that is something to be proud of.